we already seen the right triangle, right? So today we going to see left triangle pattern. So how we can able to achieve it? Same pattern we cannot be able to achieve. So for that left triangle, we going to use some other logic. Okay, so you can also familiar with the triangle pyramid pattern, right? Same kind of logic we are going to use to achieve that left triangle. Okay, so how we can going to achieve that? Let's see. Here I'm going to use n equal to 5. Then I'm going to use that for loop for I in range 1 comma n plus 1. Then this will print number of lines, right? As usual, we already know that. Then next line I'm going to use one more loop for to print the spaces. Okay, for j in range of 1 comma n minus I plus 1. This logic we already seen in the triangle pyramid pattern, right? So same logic only I'm going to use, space, then n equal to empty string. Then observe now carefully, for k loop we are going to modify some slight changes. Okay, so for k in range, here I'm going to use 1 comma, instead of triangle we already seen that I into 2, right? So instead of that I into 2, I'm going to declare that just simply I plus 1. Then I'm going to print the stars here, comma n equal to empty string. Then I'm going to print empty print. See, we already achieved that left triangle. This is the logic we can apply for this program.